Hello everyone, let's move on to our seventh video. This video will take a look of the odd and even. Okay, this is a topic that normally will be tested in the MCQ questions. So normally they will tell you a shape. Okay, like this question. The heart shape is an odd number and the triangle is an even number. So they will give you a lot of different kinds of calculations. So based on these calculations, so they will ask you which one give you an odd number. Okay, so the key point to do this question, actually, when we learn this one in our lessons, we always ask you to think. Like, for example, odd plus even, it is still odd. Even plus even, still even, correct? Odd plus odd become even. We have to understand why that happens. But in a competition, in order to fill in the fast, in order to find the answer very fast and accurate, we actually can use this one. This one don't require you to really understand it, but you still can find the answer. How to do? You can simply let your odd number to be 1 and even number to be 2. Okay, sometimes if you need to do a minus, for example, odd number minus even number, so your odd number, it can be bigger, maybe like 3 or 4, like this, okay? So let's see how to use this quick method to solve the question. So let our question, the heart shape is the odd number, so let the heart shape to be 1 and triangle to be 2. Okay, so now let's check option A. Option A is heart plus heart. So it's 1 plus 1. So we have a 2, which is an even number. So we cannot choose option A. Then for B is triangle plus triangle. 2 plus 2 is even, equals 4, right? Okay, next one for the question C is heart plus triangle. So it's 1 plus 1 plus 2 equals 4. It is an even number again. So very obvious, our answer must be D. And let's double check. D is heart plus triangle. So it's 1 plus 2 plus 2. Done. So it's a 5. And we know it's an odd number. So we choose option D. Okay, so by this way, normally people won't have the careless mistake. And it could be very fast to find the answer. Okay, let's move on to this question. This question, the question tell you the heart and triangle is a 2-digit number. So that's why the heart shape is a first digit, it's a 10th digit, triangle is a 1st digit, right? Then the heart is an odd number, the triangle is an even number. Oh, so very obvious. Again, we can let our heart shape to be 1, triangle to be 2. Then that's why you can know your 2-digit number. The 2-digit number is 12, correct? We place 1 by 1. Okay, so now you need to use a similar method to check the option. So option A is 12 minus the heart. So it's 12 minus 1 equals odd number. So actually we already find the answer. But we can still do the practice for question B. Question B is the heart is 1. So option B is 12 times 1 equals 12. Okay, it's an even number. So this is not what we want, correct? Then for question option C is 12 plus the triangle. So it's 12 plus 2 equals 14, which is an even number. And for question D is 12 times 2. Okay, multiply by the triangle. So 12 times 2 equals 24. So absolutely the answer is still an even number. So that's why we choose option A for the second question. Okay, all right, so you can see, this is what we do. So it still can solve the question very fast and accurate. And last question, okay, you can pause the video to have a try. Oh, it's a little bit hard. Okay, just a little bit. Okay, then let's see this question. The question tells you heart and triangle, they stand for whole numbers. And we also know that heart is greater than the triangle. And then the question says heart times the triangle is an odd number. Okay, why is a little bit hard? Because this question, they never tell you the heart is what? Is even or odd. And they never tell you triangle is even or odd. But they tell you these two multiply together is an odd number. So that's require you must understand how we do the odd and even. So when we do the multiplication, we know that as long as you times an even number, no matter how many numbers, okay? So as long as you times one even number, so everything will become even. But these two numbers, when you times together, is still odd. So means none of them are even number. Okay, none of them are even. So means your heart shape and your triangle, they are all odd numbers. Okay, since you know they are all odd numbers, and we know the heart shape is greater than the triangle, so we can simply let your heart to be 3 and a triangle to be 1. Right? So let's check the option A, B, C, D. We can do the calculation already. So for the option A, it's heart times 3. So it's 3 times 3 equals 9. It's an odd number, but the question wants you to find the even number. So we cannot use option A. Okay, option B is a triangle plus 2. So it's 1 plus 2 equals 3. It's an odd number. We cannot choose B. And next one C is 3 minus 1. Odd minus odd equals 2. Okay, so it's correct already. Our answer is C. Let's just double check the last one, D. D is hard times hard. Hard times hard is 3 times 3. So it equals 9. So that's why it's an odd number. So the answer is C. Okay, but these three practice, I believe you can solve the odd and even question very fast. It's not a very difficult tab in the GEP round 1 paper. Okay, so hope you can do it carefully and got it correct. And I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.